Hey everyone, welcome back to Patriot Ridge Farm. It's Mike. So I went ahead and got the fans up today. I had to do some modification because when I ordered these last fall from QC Supply, I was under the impression these were specifically made for greenhouses, like mounting to the bow trellis there or bow truss. Yeah, they're not. So they're more made to be connected to like wood, lag screwed into wood and everything. So I had to make a little modification. I had to go get some U-bolts, and to get the right size U-bolt to fit around, where am I at? Right here. To fit around the truss, and then also to be able to get it to go up around the base of that, I had to do a little bit of a grinding on the fan base itself, get the U-bolt up on there and get them strapped down there. Now what I will do is I'll get a self-tapping screw and come back down into it from the top down into that truss there, that to hold it still. I don't think it'll move much, but because of the constant vibration, it just might. So what I did was I went back 4 bows on each side, 4 trusses on each side from the front, and blew this one this way, and that one down there is going that way, and they will hit these louvers here, and the airflow will kick those louvers open, and where all the heat typically gets trapped up in here, this will help circulate that air. It'll pull it up in from the bottoms and everything and get that air moving through here so it doesn't get too hot, because I'm gonna tell you, it gets hot in here real quick. So, but not today because it's pouring down rain. And I just went ahead and stopped because a little bit of thunder, a little bit of lightning in the background here, so I said nope, I'm not going to be messing with metal and electric during this. We did finish out this row of soil beds and then got the last one in place, or the first one in place starting this direction, and there's obviously more to do, but I left 20 inches between each bed. This side we're going to do T-posts with cattle panel to trellis up our tomatoes and everything. So we'll probably do about 40 feet of tomatoes, because that's about how long this is, this whole soil bed right through here. We'll do 40 feet of this, and I'm not going to come in and top dress anything with compost or anything like that until we get these beds done. So I figured today, before we get the beds in here, I better go ahead and get the fans up. Now I went and got the flexible non-metallic electrical conduit last night. Got everything that I needed to be able to get this through, or get the electric ran here, because these things are plug-ins. These fans have plug-ins, so I got some low profile outdoor outlets, and I got to just figure out how I'm going to run this and do this so I can put an outlet here on each side, and that way I can get these things hooked up to electricity and everything. So we're still working at it, but it's pouring down the rain. Like I said, a little bit of thunder, lightning in the background here, so it's time for me to stop. Even though I'm not getting wet in here, I'm not messing with electric in a metal in a metal structure here. Anyways, get and stay prepared, stay free. God bless y'all.